NASA is now less than a year away from launching a spacecraft that may very well tell us where to look for life in the cosmos. It's a telescope with an ability to photograph distant planets as we have never been able to do before. ABC 7's Wayne Friedman explains how it works.
Of all the digital cameras on planet Earth, you have never seen one like this.
Our full field of view is almost 100 million pixels.
David Koch, an astronomer at NASA Ames in Mountain View, has just concluded a series of experiments that will open one pane in a window to the stars. It's a space-based telescope called Kepler that will focus on a small section of our Milky Way galaxy, searching for places where life might be. You're the man who's going to discover the first Earth-like planet.
That's right. That's the whole reason for doing this mission.
They will do it by fixing Kepler's camera on 100,000 stars and monitoring their brightness. The best way to explain what they're doing is to imagine for a moment that this flashlight represented a star at a great distance. If you watched it long enough and a planet passed in front, the light would dim.
We're measuring the brightness of 100,000 stars every 30 minutes for 4 years and never blinking, because if you blink, you may miss a transit.
Kepler's camera must be sensitive enough to detect a change of brightness of 1/100th of 1%. This is video of Venus transiting our sun. Now imagine being able to detect this kind of event from light years away. By timing the orbits, Dr. Koch can determine a planet's distance and temperature.
The habitable zone is a distance from a star where you could have liquid water on the surface of a planet.
Kepler will launch at about this time next year and orbit the sun on a route following Earth. For Dr. Koch, 25 years of work hanging in the balance.
You going to retire soon?
Not before we detect planets.
From NASA Ames in Mountain View, Wayne Friedman, ABC 7 News.